I'm going to use only the Tonex One for a recording session. Okay, I'm ready. This is an original song that I recorded using my Marshall DSL 100. Stay tuned to hear the Tonex version of it afterwards. So here is the Tonex remake.
This part.
So again, all the tracks were done with just the Tonex One, even the delay effects, phaser effects, so on, so on. Please like and subscribe below. If you'd like to help out this channel, that would be great. I'm not making any money for doing these videos, but if you can't, that's fine. I know times are tough for a lot of people. I hope you guys are doing well. We'll see you soon.